Welcome, welcome dear students, welcome to English class today. Dear students, you know your institutions are closed down. However, BSB Cambrian Education Group has taken initiatives to bring your classroom at your home. So, without wasting any time, let's enjoy our today's class. Dear students, in the screen, you can see my identity here. I am MD Kamrul Mannan, Assistant Professor, Department of English, BSB Cambrian Education Group. Okay, dear students, before entering our class, let's enjoy some images. Dear students, you should notice the images very carefully because it will give you some impression about the topics today. Okay, let's enjoy. Wow, what do you see here? A man is sleeping. Either he is sleeping or he is dreaming, right? Okay, let's enjoy. Another man you can see here, he is also sleeping. Let's enjoy. Do you know the man, dear students? Yes, our today's topic is greatly related, largely related to this person you see here. Okay, he is Martin Luther King the Jr. Martin Luther King the Jr., our today's protagonist. Okay, dear students. Let's see again. In a large gathering, you can see here Martin Luther King is delivering his famous speech here in a large gathering. Just follow, dear students. I will just go through. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up. Dear students, I repeat, I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. Very nice piece, I think. We hold this truth to be self-evident that all men are created equal. Dear students, these are the lines that will reflect all through the text. Okay, let's enjoy. So, you can certainly guess that our today's topic is I have a dream. You can find this chapter in your English first paper book, Unit 3, Lesson 3. Dear students, this is the first class of this lesson. Okay. After the end of today's class, we'll be able to develop our reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills. We'll be able to know some new words. We'll be able to identify Martin Luther King the Jr. And finally, we'll be able to describe the dreams of Martin Luther King. Dear students, let's know about the life of Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. was an American Baptist minister and activist who was a leader in civil rights movement. In fact, he was a leader of civil rights movement. He is best known for his role in advancement of civil rights using non-violent civil disobedience based on his Christian beliefs. Dear students, let's know about his life. He was born in January 15, 1929 in Atlanta, United States. Assassinated in April 4, 1968, Memphis, United States. Spouse, Coretta Scott King. Famous piece, our topic today, I have a dream. Children, Martin Luther King the third, Dexter Scott King, Yolanda King, and Barnes King. Dear students, we have learnt about the life of Martin Luther King the Jr. in short. Okay, let's enjoy the class. Let's know some vocabulary. This is very important to understand the topic. Okay, you know, manacles. This is a shackle for the hand. Manacles, you know. Creed, dogma, operation, tyranny, oasis, harbor here, exile, expulsion. Let's know. Reveal, disclose, discord, conflict, symphony, balance here, prodigious, sublime, prodigious hill, hamlet, village here. Okay, dear students. Wow, you know this is valley. In Bengali, Upotaka, valley. You can see here. Let's see another image. Wow. Do you know? Definitely. Right. Moruddan in Bengali, oasis. Molehill, you know, molehill. Definitely you can understand now. Manacles. Okay? Let's read the text, dear student. When I will go through the text, you should open the textbook and try to go through with me. Okay? Let's enjoy. You can see the image here. In prison, a Negro man here. The text starts like this. The Negro is still not free. The Negro is still not free. The life of the Negro is still sadly crippled by menaces of segregation and the chains of discrimination. Dear students, you can really understand the theme of the speech that was given by Martin Luther King about the discrimination. Okay. The Negro lives on a lonely island of poverty in the midst of vast ocean of material prosperity. In the vast ocean of material prosperities, in the same country, some people are enjoying happiness with vast poverty. But what about the Negroes here? Yes, Martin Luther King is delivering his lecture here to have salvation for the Negroes. Okay. The Negro is still languishing in the corners of American society and finds himself an exile, nirvarshito like this, in his own land. Can you gaze? If I am exiled in my own land, so we have come here today to dramatize our shameful condition. Dear students, very, very important speech of Martin Luther King for the whole depressed community of the world. Okay, let's read again. You can see here some children, irrespective of caste, creed and color, that is the blacks and the whites. There was a dream of Martin Luther King that all people will sit together, all people will read together in a same table. Okay, let's read. I have a dream that one day on the red hills of Georgia, the sons of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners will be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood. You can see here. I have a dream that one day even the state of Mississippi, a state sweltering with heat of injustice, sweltering with the heat of oppression, will be transformed into an oasis of freedom and justice. Dear students, Martin Luther King actually possessed a dream. He possessed a dreamland where all the people, all the children, including the children of slaves and including the children of slave owners, will sit together, will learn together, and justice will prevail in the land. Okay, dear students, now this evaluation for you. What is the text type? You know, definitely the text is an article, a speech, or a short story. Definitely we will answer that this is a speech. Okay, who delivered it? Who delivered it? Do you know? Right, Martin Luther King the Jr. Why did Martin Luther King Jr. have these dreams? Why did? Very important answer. Because he wanted to remove racial difference and he wanted to ensure justice. Okay, dear students. Now, this is our classwork. Let's try what we have understood. We have to write true or false. If you have understand our today's class, you will be able to find out whether it is true or it is false. Okay. The speech is meant only for black Americans. Only for black Americans. Martin Luther King delivered this speech only for black Americans. Okay, let's see. Is it true or false? False. Not only for black Americans. Correct answer is the speech is meant not only for black Americans but also for all the nations of the world. The students, second question is Martin Luther King Jr. believed that all men are equal. True or false? Definitely this is true. Let's move. Third question. Martin Luther King Jr. had a dream that one day little black boys and girls will be able to join hands with white boys and girls. That was his dream. Yes or no? Yes, that was his dream. Martin Luther King Jr. maintained that fulfillment of his dream was a precondition for America to be a great country. Definitely, this is true. Well, exercise for practice. Dear students, we have learned the topic. Perhaps you have enjoyed our today's class. Now it's your turn. You will practice to write a short paragraph about Martin Luther King. Dear students, thank you very much. Thank you.